ACET 2024, the mathematics section. Let us start. For any two sets A and B, which of the following is false? So basically, if we look at the following identities, it is A union B union C whole complement is A complement intersection B complement. This is correct. A union B intersection C is A complement intersection B union C complement whole complement. This is also correct. A intersection B union C whole complement is A complement union B complement inter. These are all correct except the C one, because using De Morgan's property of sets, we have that C is not correct. So, which is false means correct answer is C. Okay. Next. The value of root of 42 plus root of 42 and this continuous series is how much? So for that, let us take, let x is equals to root over 42 plus x. Okay. So then x square is equals to your 42 plus x. Then x square minus x minus 42 is equals to 0. So by Middleton factorization, we have x is equals to minus 6 and 7. Okay. Now here we have to take the value of x as positive because we are taking it under root here. So definitely x is 7. That is the correct answer. So D. We have to find the inverse of the given 3 cross 3 matrix. So what is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equals to adjoint of A by the determinant of A. So this is A, let's say. So determinant of A here is equals to we have to calculate it. 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 2 of 2 is minus 1 is 1, and 1 of 1 is 2. So it's minus 4. Okay. Now we have to find out the adjoint. For adjoint, we have to find out the cofactors. What is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is equals to matrix of the cofactors transpose. Correct? So that will give us the following. That is 1 by minus 4. So I will just divide all the cofactors by 4 and that will yield us matrix. Means basically we will have here as 0.25 because it is 0.1 by 4, or let me write it down like minus 1 the cofactor by 4. Okay, this is 3 by 4. This is again minus 1, so divided by 4. This is A inverse I'm calculating, so I'm dividing by 4 in the sense minus 4 in the sense this. Okay, so this is 1, so by minus 4. 3 by minus 3 it was, so by minus 4. Again 1, so by minus 4. Again it is minus 3, so by minus 4 that becomes 3 by 4. Again here the cofactor is 1, so minus 4. Here the cofactor is again 1, so minus 4. Here the cofactor is again 1, so minus 4. Here again the cofactor is 1, so again minus 4, and here it is 3, so again minus 4. So these are in the terms of fraction. I've got A inverse. So here as you can see, these are all in decimals. So if I convert it into decimals, then this is 0.25, 0.75 minus 0.25. Which of the following we have got that is A? See, minus 0.25, 0.75, 0, minus 0.25, 0.75 minus 0.25 minus 0.25 minus 0.25 minus 0.25 and 0.75. Yeah, this is minus minus. So it's A. A is the correct answer. Next. Integration of x plus sine x dx is equals to basically first of all it is x dx plus sine x dx, right? So it's x square by 2 excuse me, this is x square by 2 minus cos x plus c. This is option D. If K is 4, 5, 6, it's a column matrix, then the matrix K into K transpose has what rank? Okay, first of all, K is 4, 5, 6. K into K transpose is 4, 5, 6 times 4, 5, 6. So of course, I'm gonna get a 3 cross 3 matrix as this. 4, 4 just 16 is this. So that is 16. 4 for the 16. It's 20. It's 24. Again it's 20. It's 25. It's 36. Again it's 24. It's 30. It's 36. If you say this is A, so determinant of A, if you solve this, 16 into this times is 0, and then again 0. So determinant of A is 0, and principal minor of this is all 0. So the rank is 0. I mean, the value is 0, so the rank is 1. That is option A. Okay. Next. Let A, B, C vector be mutually perpendicular unit vectors. The value of this is what? Okay. Um, so what is the formula for magnitude of vector? Magnitude of vector is root over basically all the coefficients, right? So it's 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 again. So it's root 9 is equals to 3. That is C. Option C is the correct answer. Next one. If x and y are real and if this is the conjugate of given this complex, then x and y are respectively what? So since conjugate is given, so x plus iy to 2 plus 3i is equals to 2x minus 3y plus 3x plus 2yi, as because it's conjugate and of this given, right? So the conjugate is what? Minus 5 plus 6i, that is minus 5 minus 6i, right? So that means I can say that this corresponds to this and this corresponds to this. So if I compare for solving x by x, we have actually let's say 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 5 and 3x plus 2y is equals to minus 6. Okay, so of course if we simultaneously let's solve it, and so let me multiply it by 3 and by 2, so that becomes 6x minus 9y is equals to minus 15, and this becomes 6x plus 4y is equals to 12. So minus minus minus, so this gets cancelled. Minus 9y minus 4y is minus 13y is equals to minus of 27, 28. Yeah, so y is equals to y is equals to 28 by 13 minus okay, and x is, we can put the value of y here. So 2x minus 3 into 28 by 13 is equals to minus 5. Yeah. So 2x is equals to minus 5 plus 3 into 28 by 13. So x is equals to, let's just 3 by, actually this is minus, this is plus, so this is, sorry, there's a mistake here. This is 3. So y is equals to 3 by minus 13. Correct. We don't have to even solve it further because from the options it is clear that there is only one value of y in the option that has minus 3 by 13, which is A. So A is the correct option. No, that's not the correct answer. Actually, here we have minus 3, so minus minus plus. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Sorry. There is only B where y is 3 by 13. Of course, you will get x is minus 2 by 18, so B is the correct answer. Okay. Next is the area bounded by the curve y is equals to 2x, the line y0, x1 and x is 3. Okay, so this is easy. We will take it from 1 to 3 2x dx. That is equals to x square from 1 to 3, that is equals to 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. So that is B. Okay. Next one. In a college, there were 48 students who play cricket, 36 students who play football, and 29 students who play basketball. So if only 4 students play all 3 sports, okay, all 3 sports means intersection of all is 3, right? is 4, sorry. And there are a total of 64 students, so union is 64 who play at least one sport. At least one sport means you have to find out intersection of 3, at least one, that is common, right? Yeah, so let's write down. Let's say number of cricket is equals to 48, number of basketball is equals to 29, number of football is equals to 36, number playing all is 64, and number playing at least one is 4. Okay, now we have to find out what we have to find out how many students play exactly two sports. Okay, all sports are total 6, so who play at least one sport, then how many students play exactly two sports. So we have to find out intersection of all two, that is C intersection B, B intersection F, C intersection F, and then we have to subtract intersection of all the three sports from the three students, because there is at least one who plays all. Okay, so that means let us first find out the intersection point, that is n of C intersection F plus F intersection B plus B intersection C is equals to so C intersection F can be written as all, playing all, plus only C, right? So that is this and this together, that is 4 plus 48. Then there is 36 plus 29, this and this. Then there is, so from this common we have to subtract union, that playing all, because these are only 2 2 2 2, minus that they play all, because here we are only trying to find out those who play only two sports together, so we have to subtract those who play all the sports from this given, so minus 64. So 4 plus 48 plus 36 plus 29 minus 64 is equals to 53. So therefore we are trying to find out how many students play exactly two sports. Exactly two sports means what? N C intersection F plus F intersection B plus B intersection C minus 3 times those who play at least one. So this is your 53, and 3 into 4 is 53 minus 12 is equals to what? 41. That is your answer, which is B. B is the correct answer for question number 9.